Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing the no makeup look, and I hope you guys will like it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so first step is to apply your moisturizer, and I already applied my moisturizer off camera, and what I'm doing right now is I'm just applying the NATURACTOR Cover Face Foundation all over my face, and I didn't use concealer for this just because I feel like the NATURACTOR covers up everything very well. And then after that, I'm just gonna contour my face, especially the sides of my face, because I do have chubby face and this creates the illusion that I have like smaller features. And yeah. Now after that, I'm just gonna contour the sides of my nose and to make it appear more pointy. That is I'm gonna be applying my highlighter on the bridges of my nose, as well as on my upper cheeks and on my brows. And you guys, I'm not gonna use a very intense type of highlighter. I'm using this one from Physicians Formula because it is a lot more subtle. It's just gonna look like you're glowing from within. That's what I'm aiming for today. Step is eyebrows, and I'm just gonna use this pomade from Fairy Beauty Potion, and KITTYSKINPH sent this to me, so if you guys are interested, please check them out. And yeah, this pomade is vegan, which I think is a plus, and also it has hair growers in it, which I think is perfect. Now you guys, because this pomade is quite reddish for me, I'm just gonna go in with my KTIN brow techniques in RUSSET, and I'm just gonna like apply a little bit on it to fill in some spores. Using the same product that I used to contour the sides of my face, I'm just gonna apply that all over my lids as well as on my eye pillow, and then blend them very well. Now you guys, using a darker shade of brown, I'm just gonna apply it on my outer corners and draw in some sort of like subtle eyeliner. And then after that, I'm just gonna apply the same highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes to make it look a lot more brighter. And then using a white eyeliner, I'm just gonna tightline my lower lashes, and that way my eyes are gonna look more alive and I'm gonna look like I had all my 10 hours sleep completed. And then I'm just gonna use my J-Cut eyeliner to tightline my upper lashes, and I'm just gonna curl my lashes, and I'm just gonna apply my mascara. you guys, after that, I'm just gonna apply my blush on the areas of your face where you normally blush when you're sweating, so to make it look a lot more natural. And then after that, I'm just gonna use a pink nude type of lip color and apply it all over my lips to serve as like a base color for my lip tint. And then now, using a darker shade of lip tint, I'm just gonna go in and apply it on the center part of my lips, and you're done. Okay guys, so I hope you like this tutorial, and let me know what you think on the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I love you all.